stretchy. Uh-oh. My name is Chelsea, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your own putty. The first things you'll need are 2 containers. One for the glue and one for the borax mixture. The second thing you'll need is 2 teaspoons of borax. I got my borax at Walmart. You'll need any school glue. I'm using Elmer's white glue. You can use glitter glue, you can use clear glue, but this is the only one I found at my store. These 2 things are something that is optional. You can add soap so that your putty won't smell like rubber and it'll smell like the soap. And the other one is food coloring, just to add some color. So let's get started on how to make it. First, you take your glue and one of your containers and you open up your glue and you just pour the whole entire bottle. You want to try to get as much out of the bottle as you can, because it will stick on the sides. So, I'm going to try to get every single one out, then I'll show you the next steps. Once you get all your glue out of your bottle, you just have to add your soap and your food coloring. I put the food coloring here. So we'll just add a few drops of soap. Then we'll add just about 3 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3. I kind of did a lot more. Then you want to just stir it. So you just have to stir it and stir it. When you're finished mixing it, you just want to take your fork or spoon out and put on a towel, a paper towel. Then you want to take your other container and pour water. I put 1 cup, but you can put as much as you want. Then you want to take your 2 teaspoons of borax and pour it into the water. Then you want to just stir it like this. Okay. When you're done stirring it, you just want to take your fork out and get your other mixture. And if you want to add more food coloring, then you could. So I'll just mix that up. Then you can just add your mixture to the borax solution. Try to get most of it out. I'll take my fork. Try to get as much as you can out. So I'll just use my fork. Okay, now when you get your glue in, you just want to stir it around in the borax solution. And you can feel that it's starting to get like slimy, or get that at the point that you can actually hold it. Then you can just knead it with your hands. Then you'll just have to keep mixing it till it's all good. When you're done kneading it and it's all good, you just want to take it out and put your borax solution somewhere else. You might want some paper towels to put down on, but right now I don't have any. So for a little bit, it's going to be wet at first, but it will start to turn like putty, like this. But right now it's softer, and I like it softer. So if you like it softer, you can just add water whenever it gets dry, if you like it like this. And now your putty is finished, so you can do whatever you want with it. You can stretch it like that, and when it's dry, it will actually bounce. So, yeah, it kind of bounces. So, that's it for my video. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, because I'll be posting more of this soon, and it's something fun to play with too. So likes and favorites are greatly appreciated, and that's it. So goodbye, slime.